Hello students, now let us solve few more problems related to polynomials. See, previously we have used that the sum of zeros and product of zeros. Now we will solve the problems in which sum and product will be given and we have to find the relation between them. Now you see, our first question is, obtain the zeros of the quadratic polynomial root under 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3. In that case, what we have to do, we have to obtain the zeros. After that, we have to verify the relation between its zeros and coefficient. Now see, here it is given fx is equals to root 3x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3. So what we have to do, first we split this into middle term. Now you see, you're observing root 3 into root 3. How much? Root 9. So that is what? 3, and 4 into 3 is how much? 12. So we will choose the value which will give us 12. So here, if we have taken 6 into 2, that is how much? 12. And minus 6x minus 2x, that is how much? Minus 8x. So after calculating, what we will do, we have to take root 3x common from this, and we will get in that way root 3x. If we have taken common, then we get x minus 2 root 3, and minus 2 if we have taken, again we got x minus 2 root 3. So this we got. So after getting this one, do you feel something? Here, if we got first term x minus 2 root 3, so it means what? X is equals to how much? How much? This becomes 2 root 3, and other x will be how much? 2 by root 3. Is this clear? So we got two roots. X is equals to 2 root 3 or x is equals to 2 by root 3. Now we have to verify the relation between its zeros and coefficient. So two zeros we got, 2 root 3 and 2 by root 3. So the zeros are this one. After that, sum of zeros. So sum of zeros we know. Sum of zeros is how much? We know that sum of zeros, 2 root 3 plus 2 by root 3, this becomes 8 by root 3, and we know that we minus b by a we have to write. So this becomes minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. You check it from here. Coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. This we got how much? This becomes 8 by root 3, and product of its zeros. So product of its zeros we got how much? 2 root 3. So this root 3 get cancelled. 2 2 ja 4. So this we got how much? This we got how much? 4 product. Is that okay? So this is the relation. Is that okay? I think this is clear to you. After that, just you see the second question. See, this question you have to write and just you try to solve it by yourself. Here we have given, if one zero of the polynomial ax square plus 9 whole x square plus 13x plus 6a is reciprocal of the other. Here, one zero of the polynomial, this one, is reciprocal of the other. Find the value of a. Here, what we have to do, we have to find the value of a. So, let one zero be alpha. So, other zero will be how much? As it is given reciprocal, so that will be how much? 1 by alpha. Product will be how much? 1. Alpha into 1 by alpha, that is 1. But product of zeros, c by a, we have to write what? C by a. So that will be how much? 6a by a square plus 9. Is that okay? So this we compare. After comparing, this 6a by a square plus 9 is equals to 1. After calculating, we do the cross multiplication. A square plus 9 is equals to 6a. So simply a square plus 9 minus 6a is equals to 0. So this you can write as a minus 3 whole square is equals to 0. So you got a is equals to 3. Is that okay? This is not tough. Please you practice. Similarly, the other question is Also very easy, that you have to try by yourself. Simply I am reading the question and you have to solve. Here you have to find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and minus 3. So in that case we are given zeros 1 and minus 3. Verify the relation between the coefficient and zeros of the polynomial. We have to find the relation between the coefficient and zeros of the polynomial. So alpha and beta is given to us. Sum of zeros, how much we got? Alpha plus beta minus 2, and product of 0, alpha into beta. So 1 into minus 3, this become this one. We know, I told you the relation that for writing the quadratic equation, our equation was what? X square minus sum of root x plus alpha into beta. Do you remember? X square minus sum of root x, sum of the roots alpha plus beta, and product. So see here, we have already written x square minus sum of root x plus what? Product of root. So here x square minus sum how much we got? Minus 2, and product is how much? Minus 3. So after calculating got this one. So sum of zeros is how much? Here you see from the expression, minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So here coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So this we got how much? Sum of this one minus 2 by 1. And product of zeros is how much? Product of zeros, from this equation you check, product of zeros how much here? This one c by a, so this will be minus 3. Hope this part is clear to you. Please don't get confused, because repeatedly you are seeing the same thing, that sum of zeros, product of zeros. Here I have explained, but it's your duty to solve it and calculate it. This much for today's topic. Let us see other problems in next class. Okay, thank you for